Connecting your Lenovo X1 Carbon, including Gen 12, 13, and 14 models, to a docking station is straightforward. The core steps involve both hardware and software integration. First, physically connect the dock's USB-C cable, Thunderbolt 3 or 4 compatible, to one of your X1 Carbon's USB-C Thunderbolt ports, typically located on the left side. Ensure the docking station is powered on and connected to your desired peripherals like monitors via HDMI or DisplayPort, keyboard, and mouse. Upon connection, Windows should automatically detect the dock and install the necessary drivers. You can further configure display settings, audio output, and Ethernet pass-through using the Lenovo Vantage app, which comes pre-installed. For advanced users, enabling always connected mode in your BIOS can facilitate instant docking without needing to reboot. Keep in mind that USB-C cables should be certified to avoid data loss or hardware damage. If you encounter issues with docking your Lenovo X1 Carbon, start by checking for firmware and software updates using Lenovo System Update. Common problems include display flickering, which can often be resolved by adjusting the refresh rates in your display settings. If USB devices aren't recognized, try updating drivers via Device Manager. Remember, the X1 Carbon's Thunderbolt ports can support high-speed data transfer up to 40 GB per second, enabling connections for external GPUs or storage. When selecting a docking station, consider power delivery capabilities, as many docks can charge your laptop while connected. Also, some docks integrate with Lenovo's ThinkShield for encrypted connections, enhancing security. For optimal performance and to avoid overheating, avoid overloading the ports. In the future, expect to see more universal compatibility, wireless integration with Bluetooth-enabled docks, and AI-enhanced features in docking stations, simplifying the setup and optimizing performance. As of 2025, docking ease is highly rated, but driver conflicts, mostly on Windows 11, are still encountered by some users.